Open your book to page 539. This lesson is on solving right triangles. Solving right triangles means you're looking for all three sides and three angles. Now, this is for right triangles, so it's super easy. So let's go to example 1. So you have to use your trigonometric function, sine, cosine, tangent. So example 1, it says, solve the right triangle in figure 11, giving that angle A is 27.5 degrees and small a is 256. So capital letters are used to label angles, small letters are used to label the length. Okay, so again, draw a triangle, and this is A. This is A. This is B. So right away, you know angle C is 90 degrees, right? So you can just write your answers on the triangle. Okay. And angle A is 27.5 degrees. Again, make your triangle big enough so you have room to label stuff. And again, from your geometry, for the right triangle, this would be complementary angles, right? And it tells you that A equal to 256. So again, label everything. So from here, you can figure out this angle right away, right? So use 90 minus that. So this would be 62.5 degrees. So angle B is 62.5. So now we need to find out the small b and small c. So you have to use your trigonometry, okay? So you're going to use the one that is given and use the one that you try to get. So this 2, so you know that this 2 is tangent, right? So you have to write down your formula first. So write down tangent A is equal to A over B, right? Again, you have to use the one is given and one that you try to get. So write down your relationship first, the trigonometric function. Then you substitute. So tangent of 27.5 degrees equal to 256 over B. Then you can go and do the crisscross and solve. So B equal to 256 divided by tangent of 27.5 degrees. Okay, so let's go and do that. So 256 divided by 27.5 tangent. Make sure you push equal. So B equal to 492. Okay. So again, the number significant digit, you just follow what is given. So over here is 256. So you run it off to the nearest digit, right? Now to get C, there are two methods. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to get that, but you got to be careful. If you use Pythagorean theorem, see this number is already off a little bit, right? So when you use this as for the Pythagorean theorem, it's going to off even more. Okay. So another method is, again, this is given and you're looking for that, right? So this 2 is what function? Sine function, right? So you can write down your sine function. So sine A equal to A over C, right? Again, so again, you always use one. You always use the one that's given. Then you always use the one that you try to find. So that's how you know which one to use. Okay, so you have to use this one because it's given, and you use this one because that's what you try to get. And so then after that, you have to decide what function you need to use for this 2. Well, this is sine function, right? So that's how you know what to use. So those are the steps. So again, write down your function, then you substitute. Again, you switch it over. So C equal to 256 over sine of 27.5 degrees. And so C equal to, so use your calculator. And push equal. So it'd be 554. Okay, and that's it. That's how you solve the triangle. Okay, again, it's not difficult. It's fairly easy. Okay. So all the problems just like that. So let's go ahead and do some practice.